You ever been out in the middle of nowhere and get a slow leak in your tire and wishing there was some way, somehow, that you had some way of inflating your tire to get you to some place that was safe in the middle of nowhere? Well, today, I think I got your ticket for you right here. And this is it. Right here. Okay, she's 100% charged, all right? So she's ready to go. Now, what it all comes with, it comes with, of course, the manual. Comes with a quick guide of how to use it. See, it's pretty cool. It's got everything you need to know, all the modes. But this is the one that I like the best. It comes with a QR code, 2-year free replacement warranty. 2 years. So they think high enough of their equipment to give you a full 2-year warranty on this. Which is, everybody knows these things get borrowed, beaten up, used, abused, okay? So they're willing to give 2 years, which that's already impressive to me when it comes to stuff like this. It comes with this killer handled zip up, put it under the seat, behind the seat, however you want to put it, carry bag. Very, very convenient. It doesn't actually have a regular USB port like this. It comes with its own cord and its own charger, okay? And it's specifically just for it. Now they're the same ends on it like that, so it doesn't matter which way it goes, but this is actually a 45-watt charger, which is more than your phone, which is more than everything. But the other thing about this, it also has where you plug it in the back. It has a USB port. So you can plug whatever, if you are out of power, you can use the battery in this to charge your phone, to charge your GPS, to charge whatever you need to get charged, because this has a long life battery. It doesn't say exactly how long the battery is, but it's been sitting in a box probably for months, and it has 75% on it. And it only took 10 minutes for the charge to 100. When you first get it, you plug it in, you make sure it shows 100. Okay, now turn it on. And it's on. We're going to go mode. We want to go car. Okay, we're in mode. Now we want to mess with our PSI. Okay, so we're going to go to 32 pounds. 32 pounds. See? Nice and easy. All right. We're going to set it at PSI. See it flashing right there? So I went out and got this from the pile. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the pump. Right. And we're going to go to mode, which is on car. We're going to set it at 32 pounds. All right. And how you set it is you just do this. You just adjust it this way. Okay. So it's very simple. 32 pounds. And around this one is dead, but the bead's intact. So we're just going to place the filler on right there, and then we're going to go start. All right, 32. Look at there, 32. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it did just like you prepay at the pump. You set it at 32. Once it hits 31 pounds or 1 pound off your setting, it starts slowing down so it doesn't overinflate. That's impressive. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so really the honest truth, this is, I mean, I've been using it. This isn't the only tire I use it on. I've been playing with the Mustang tires, this tire, the tires on the trailer. I have been using this thing for about an hour, and it's still showing 100%. Okay, that took about 3 minutes total from flat to 32 pounds. Okay, that's impressive. All right, and it's still at 100%. I like this because all you got to do is you can adjust it as far as you want to go. It'll tell you where you start, and it'll tell you where you end. And it's just that simple. All right, that's your mode, that's your on off. You know, it's still, I've been playing with this for an hour, it's still at 100%. Then all you gotta do to put it up and carry it. See, right now it's 100% charged, and you just hit the start button again, and turns itself off. It's that simple. Start, stop, turn itself on, and it resets, or it holds the original settings. So if you're a guy that runs 32, or if you gotta run 36, all you gotta do is set it once, and when you pull it out of the bag, it'll be preset. All you gotta do is hit start. You can charge your phone. It's all self-contained. It just goes back in the bag. Boom. And it is ready to go. Charged and ready to go. Back in the bag. Boom. Nothing to it. This is as handy as it comes. Okay, so this is going in the truck. This is for me. I'm gonna keep this because I'm always pulling stuff out of the weeds, and to have something portable, chargeable, don't have to worry about plugging it in, running cords. Now this, I gotta say, for what I do, which is I go out and I pick them out of weeds, and I bring them back from life, from the dead. Okay, and so every time I go get one, four dead tires, trailer tires need something, you know, pick up a nail, something. This is for being portable and being done by battery, no cords, no BS. This is a win-win. This is going in my truck permanently, okay, to be used whenever. We're going to see how long the battery lasts, but I know this was in the package for quite some time before I opened it, and it was still at 75%. All right, so no brainer for me. This is a win-win. Thumbs up. Ettenwolf. There will be a link down below, because this is one of the nicest ones I've ever come across, and it blows everything else that I've ever had or owned that's got to plug into your, you know, your cigarette lighter or your power output, and it's got little short cords, and it's all those things are great, but they're a complete pain. This is effortless. Set it, turn it on, and forget it, and it'll shut itself off when you're done. Doesn't get any better than that, guys. Man, this is nice. I really like this. All right, and don't forget, we have lives, Thursday night lives. We talk about the good old days, engines, square body Chevys, old Chevys are better, hashtag old Chevys are better. You're going to want to check it out. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all have a great day, because great day today could be worryless flats on the side of the road tomorrow. Y'all be good.